Oil change. Step 1. Turn off your portable generator and let it cool down. Step 2. Gather the necessary tools. Oil, 10W30, check your manual, oil pan, oil funnel, wrench, towels. Locate the oil drain bolt and oil plug. Step 3. Drain the used oil by removing the oil drain bolt. Allow the old oil to drain completely into your oil pan. Don't forget to dispose of your oil responsibly. Step 4. Refill with fresh oil based on your model specifications. Use your oil funnel to refill. Check the oil level using the oil plug. Air filter replacement. Step 1. Turn off your portable generator and let it cool down. Locate the air filter cover. Step 2. Remove the filter cover screw. Step 3. Remove air filter and wipe down casing. Optional: wash with warm water and soap. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. Step 4. Replace your air filter. Place your air filter and filter cover back on. Step 5. Screw your filter cover back on. Spark plug replacement. Step 1. Turn off your portable generator and let it cool down. Step 2. Remove your spark plug cap. Locate the spark plug. Step 3. Unscrew the spark plug using the spark plug wrench. Step 4. Install your new spark plug. Step 5. Put your spark plug cap back on.